Dow Jones perfectly behaved as we expected yesterday. We had expected that there is going to be a second fallout candle and then 33,000 and 32,800 levels. Today it has gone very close to 32,800 now before reversing and now trading at 33,030. Now what to expect today from Dow Jones, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll start with the hourly charts and graduate to the daily charts, and towards that I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Do watch till. Let's have a look at the hourly chart. See, it has formed a bottom at 32,800 and since then had reversed. If you look at the hourly charts closely, higher lows are consistently seen, and thus only selling entry I will recommend is below 32,950 levels. Below 32,950, there is a possibility of a further drop where one can expect 32,880, 32,800 levels. 32,800 is a great support on the downside. At the same time, if you look on the upside, I will look forward to 33,100, which is going to provide a very good resistance, but I will be looking forward to more than that. I will be looking forward to 33,140 and 33,200 levels today itself. Possibility exists that it may try to approach towards this zone. The stochastic is overbought, MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish, MACD is looking upwards, and it has still got strength for it to continue on the upside. RSI has come to the comfortable levels here. Coming to 2 hour, see on the 2 hour charts, nice steps are getting formed. It may try to, prices were divergent from the 20 period. It is trying to approach the 20 period moving average. Right now sitting at around 33,100, 120 zone, which is going to be a first resistance zone. And in fact, we can see a further rise above 33,100. Possibility is very strong that it can try to march towards 33,200. Look at this, it is trying to trade in this zone, and thus 33,200 is going to be a great resistance on the upside, and these are achievable levels also. If you look at a stochastic, this is rising. The MACD has just crossed over, and see, this is the second crossover while on the downward journey. Remember, this crossover is coming at a lower levels at -150. It has the potential for it to continue a while on the upside. I will be waiting for the next candle from here on the 2 hour charts. Possibly that may take the prices further high towards 33,200. RSI is rising. It has come out of the oversold zone. If you look at 3 hour chart, see, there is a reversal sign, and after the reversal we have seen two straight green candles. This candle, look at also the prices and the divergence from the moving average. Too much of divergence. The 20 period sitting at 33,200 is definitely an achievable level. This is also the top of this bearish channel. Thus I will be looking forward to these levels. As long as it stays above 32,950, possibility of a rise towards 33,200 will be very high, and hence you have to trade accordingly. Stochastic is rising, MACD is bearish. It is trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over. It is still staying bearish, though it has come to lower levels, though it was trading with a fat belly, and this fat belly suggests that a possible crossover can be expected. RSI coming out of the oversold zones here, and looking at 4 hour chart. Now look at 4 hour chart. See, lower highs, lower lows are seen. Then from the flat bottom we have seen this rise. I'll wait for 33,100 levels to be breached on the upside. See, 100, 140 zone, 120 zone is going to be a great resistance, and possibly we are looking forward to a further rise. In fact, I'll look forward to 33,200 and 300 zone as a greater resistance. And yes, these levels are achievable. Do not think that it cannot rise towards these levels. Yes, it has, in all probability, it can try to achieve towards this zone. It can try to fly towards this zone, and hence you have to be cautious with the sell entries. On the downside, a possible sell entry at 32,950 can be taken, but 32,880, 32,800, two major support exist on the downside. Stochastic is rising, MACD trading with a fat belly. It is just trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over. RSI is also coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to the daily. Now on the daily chart, see, the pivot level at 33,000, we have seen the lows at 32,000. Now even if it has to show a swing candle, it can try to fly towards 33,200 before closing the day at 33,000. Even if it has to create a doji candle, there is a possibility that 33,200 levels at least might get achieved. That is my expectation, and hence once it stays beyond 33,100 levels, you can expect more rise will be seen. I will be looking forward to 140 and 200 levels at least on the upside. On the downside, below 32,950 is where I will recommend you to sell for 32,880, 32,800 levels. As long as these levels are respected, do not treat this as bearish. As long as 32,800 is respected, possibility of a rise from 32,800 still exists. The stochastic at bottom, MACD is trading with divergence and too much of divergence, and it is still staying bearish, not showing any signs of convergence. Today's candle will might be one of the candles where it can try to retrace a little on the upside. Is staying oversold, chances of a reversal exist here. Thus, looking at this, before I provide you the trading levels and strategy, do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Your every like, share, and comment is a great support, motivation, inspiration for me to deliver on time, every time, to the best of my abilities. Also, you can join my mentorship batch if you want to learn this art of trading. My 26th batch is going to start on 9th of October. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, looking at this, I will recommend you to buy at 34,100 levels, but with caution that yes, there are going to be great resistance at around 34,150, 33,140, 150 zone, and then 33,200. 33,200 is the level beyond which only further bullishness might see, and above 33,300 is the reversal confirmation where the prices might fly. I will be cautious. It has a potential to achieve 33,200, 300 zone at least. On the downside, a selling entry will be recommended if you see, and remember, even if it tries to achieve a high, the possibility of a drop from those levels will be very, very high, and hence you have to book your profits immediately as soon as you see it, your position in green. At the same time, on the downside, below 32,950, a possibility of a drop exists towards 32,880, 800 levels. Below 800 is where the bears will take over. Hence, you have to trade with caution. Till then, trade with a stop loss, trading and a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you tomorrow again with more detailed analysis and review on major global markets and commodities with the Asia and Europe session first, and then with the US session as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading.